Hey guys, if you have a printer similar to this Canon PIXMA TS3522 and you're having a problem with the ink cartridge door being open message and you know it's closed like it is here, then watch this video. We'll go over a couple things to resolve that and hopefully you do. Don't forget to like, and let's get right to it. Okay, so that error, it's usually referred, well, always referred, of course, to this door right here. This is the ink cartridge access door. That's the door that needs to be closed properly when after you put the ink cartridges there. So for anything to print, it has to be closed. I'm having there. Make sure it locks in there. The reason why it may not lock in sometimes is because there could be a missing. There's actually no spring here, but let me see. If I close mine, yeah, it should just like pop in there. So just like that. And once again, so when I open it, it opens up. There's really no spring involved. It's kind of like on its own. But when you close it, the mechanism that it's built, there it is. It's supposed to be flush like that and closed. Make sure it is. There you go. You kind of have to manually close it. Another thing before we get further into the sensor area, make sure these are aligned and they're in the proper areas. So these tabs that hold the door. So when you open the door, you can see the tab right there, and it should be in place. And then the main thing is, of course, the sensor that reads when your cartridge door is open. That's located over here. If you look in there, there should be a small, tiny, like a black. You can see it right there. It goes like that. That's this like a little tab that hits the sensor over inside your printer, and it tells the printer that it's closed. So if it's there, if it's not broken, you should see it there. If you just press on it, it'll show that the printer's closed. And this right here is what pushes that tab and tells the printer that the door is closed. So check this, make sure it's not broken off. This is, you can see a long tab right here, and make sure it's going right into that hole right there. And see, when you close it, it goes in there and it pushes that button. I have a video where I show you how to remove the top cover, or like not the top, but like this whole top of the printer, and you can get access to that sensor there very easily. I'll put the video link below in the description. But yeah, make sure that's working. If you don't see the black tab right there, then it's either broken off or it's just stuck somewhere in the printer for whatever reason. So check out the link below, see how you open the top cover of the printer and get that fixed. Hopefully you can get that resolved. Thank you so much for suggesting to make this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and have a great day.